Acura's fully digital instrument cluster replaces physical gauges with digital ones. In doing so, it lets you decide how you want key vehicle information displayed. It also allows you to easily cycle through at-a-glance driving information using the steering wheel controls. The driving information is found on the right side of the cluster and can display key driver readouts, such as warning messages, trip computer data, navigation, maintenance information, and more. Roll the right selector wheel up or down to toggle between these readouts. Some readouts, including warning messages and trip computer data, provide additional information that's accessible by moving the selector wheel left or right. The left side of the instrument cluster displays the current gear and integrated dynamics system mode, various media and communication information, and more. If the vehicle is equipped with a head-up display, the media and communication information will be shown there instead. Press the Apps button to bring up a menu of available media and communication apps. Then, roll the left selector wheel up or down to scroll through menus. Press the selector wheel inwards to make selections. Moving the selector wheel left or right performs key functions, including changing radio stations, skipping songs, or accepting incoming phone calls. Changing the integrated dynamics system mode automatically changes the instrument cluster display to match the selected drive mode. For example, snow mode and normal mode show basic instruments. Comfort mode shows a minimalistic view, and sport mode includes a power monitor. You can even customize how the individual mode is displayed in the digital instrument cluster. Press and hold the Integrated Dynamics System button. Select Gauge, then set your preferred view. You can also choose between two gauge styles for the digital instrument cluster. Roll the right selector wheel down to Gauge Settings, push the selector wheel inwards, select Gauge Layout, then choose between Advanced and Crafted views. Each view offers distinctive style and functionality for a unique, customized look.